I wish I knew before starting medical school is that it's not all about learning the science and art of medicine and patient care. Although this is a huge part of medical school, you're unable to do this effectively unless you first master two things: time management and organization. The reality is the volume of material that you learn in medical school can be overwhelming. You're juggling lectures, exams, learning clinical skills, and so much more. If your time isn't managed effectively, it's nearly impossible to keep up. The students who excel aren't just the ones who know the most, they're the ones who organize their time well. By mastering these skills, you can learn more efficiently and effectively and retain information better, making every moment of learning count. If you're pursuing a career in medicine, focus on sharpening your time management and organization skills. These tools are the foundation for everything else that you'll learn.